Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Today, this is the product I want to show you, and if you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details. Look at here. This is our VCI anti-roast bags. And for this part, this is the label. You can see the first one. This is our Shumatt logos, right? If you want to print with your own logos, you can contact us, and we can design the logo, the label, and the packaging bags for you. Yes, if you have this kind of needs, please contact us. And also in this part, this is a product code F00RJ00834, and on the application inject number is the 0445120025, and this is the QR code. Okay, so much for the label introduction. Let's see the inside. Let's move on the inside parts of our product, okay? Okay, friends, how was your day? Let's see this kind of control valve, and you can spin it and to open the inside part. Yep, this is the inside. We package with oil paper. Yes, this is outside actually. We not only sell in outside. If you want the valve cap or valve roll separately, yes, you can contact us. And because we supply the whole side, but also we will supply the separate parts. Like this one, you can see here, this is our valve cap. For our valve cap, actually you can see there has a coating in here, and also with the curved letters here, right? And for our valve rolls, we have different size, different lengths. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, okay? Because we supply the customized services for you. Okay, so much for the product introductions. Actually, we have many models in our channel, right? If you are not familiar with the models, you can send us the product code, and we can have you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Actually, here I have 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean it, you better use the oil to clean it. The second tip is if you want to install the control valve, you'd better make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is when you install it, make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, I have good news to share with you about our warranties. Yes, for our customers, we had the 6-month warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us and return it. We can exchange it for you. Yes, okay. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like our videos and like our product, please focus at our channel and remember to follow us at our Facebook and the YouTube. Except that, we also selling the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, yes, including the control valve we are showing today, yes. Any items, if you are interested, please feel free to contact us, okay? Yep. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.